Prepare for trouble!
Make it double!
Huh? Barnacles! What could be worse than a giant paint bubble?
Oh, I know! 2 giant paint bubbles!
No! Patrick!
Yes, SpongeBob?
I don't think this bubble can get much bigger.
Nonsense!
What's the power?
They came out here to do what? What did you guys come out here to do? What was it? Why?
We came out here to experience the weather.
We just came out here to experience the weather.
Yeah, we heard about all the evacuation going on, but we just came out here to experience the weather.
Evacuation.
Well, you can't.
Let us ask you a question. What do you think about the storm, the risk to your own safety at this point?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear your question.
What do you think about the storm, the power, the ferocity, and the risk to your own safety at this point?
Well, at this point, I'm very relieved to discover that as we speak, the eye of the storm is practically due south of us by 220 miles, okay, because it's crossing the 80th meridian, which is 80 degrees west longitude. So I'm not so worried because it's so far away, and it's bearing as of 8 p.m.
Westbound.
Well, not just westbound. It was 275 degrees. That's only 1/15 above due west toward true north.
Is he right?
So this thing is moving and has been moving in a very westerly direction, and because it's several hundred miles south, the risks are less and less. I'm not worried. I don't think it's going to get much worse than what we're seeing right here.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's
Well, it seems to have stabilized. As long as it doesn't get any bigger, there's not too much to worry about. That ain't good.
The eye itself is headed right toward the Miami area.
お前はもう死んでいる。何?
What? Look at all this fucking water.
Over 110 miles per hour. The storm reached land about 3 hours ago, and what? Wait a minute. There's a person surfing a huge wave out there. Oh. A person was just. No, wait, come out. Yeah, he.
Yeah, we stay here.
Why aren't you evacuating?
We have the icon of South Beach, so we feel more safe.